This is CR Jane and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about financial reporting, and the topic we are going to revise is revenue recognition. So let's get started. So let's start with the core question in revenue recognition. Revenue is not recognized when cash is received. Instead, it is recognized when the performance obligation is satisfied. This is the fundamental principle in under IFRS 15. To apply this, the IFRS 15 has a 5-step revenue recognition model. The first step, identify the contract with the customer. The second step, identify the performance obligation. Third, determine the transaction price. Fourth, allocate the price to different obligations. And the fifth, recognize revenue when each obligation is satisfied. Let's understand this with an example. A company sells a phone for 20,000 and it's a single product. First, we identify the contract. Yes, it exists. Next, the performance obligation. There's only one obligation, which is the phone. Third, then the transaction price, that is 20,000. Since there is only one obligation, the full amount is allocated to it. Finally, revenue. Revenue is recognized when the phone is delivered. So the total revenue recognized is 20,000. Though, and such an easy example won't be asked in your ACCA papers. This is just for better understanding. Second example. This is slightly more complex. Still, it won't. It's an easy example. These kind of examples won't be tested in your ACCA papers again. Okay. So on 1st January, a company sells a laptop with a 1-year warranty for 50,000. The standalone prices for laptop is 48,000 and the warranty is 6,000. Sorry. So here we have two performance obligations. First is the laptop and the second is the warranty. So what are we required to do? We are required to allocate the transaction price and explain revenue recognition. So what's the first step? Identify the obligations. We have two obligations, which is the laptop and the warranty. Second step, we allocate the transaction price. So the total price was for 54,000, which is very simple. We just take the new revised price divided by the total price. Sorry, we just take the laptop price, the standalone price, divided by the total price of the laptop and warranty, and multiply it with the new revised price, which gives us our total, that is 44,444, and same for the warranty is 5,556. Third, we recognize the revenue based on each obligation when each obligation is satisfied. For the laptop, revenue is recognized immediately at the time of the delivery. For the warranty, the revenue is recognized over 1 year because the service is provided over time. So here, the key takeaway is revenue is recognized based on performance, not payment. And when there are multiple obligations, we must allocate and recognize separately. Thank you guys for watching, and for more revision of such concepts, do let me know. Thank you.